Hello, today we're going to be going over the sample standard deviation as it's provided right there. S equals the square root of the sum of xi minus x bar squared over n minus 1. Now I have a sample of 4, the numbers 3, 4, 8, and 9. The reason why I'm only using 4 is because what matters in this is the process, not if I can show you how to do 20 in this example. In fact, I think that's rather rude to do that to someone who's just learning. So because we're focusing on the process, we're only going to use a few numbers. And so 3, 4, 8, and 9 are the numbers we're going to be using. N denotes how many numbers are in the sample. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is calculate x bar, or the average, which is 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 added all together divided by 4, which gives you 24 over 4, or 6. The next is probably where most people screw up, because this is, frankly speaking, the most complicated in one step, and that is the summation of xi minus x bar squared. So we have 3, 4, 8, and 9, and we have to subtract 6 from each one of those. And then after we subtract 6 from each one of those, we have to square it. And then after we square it, you add them all together. And so I'm going to walk you through how to do this. So we have 3 minus 6 squared plus 4 minus 6 squared plus 8 minus 6 squared plus 9 minus 6 squared, which gives us negative 3 squared plus negative 2 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared, which finally gives us 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 9, which gives us 26. Now remember, when you do negative numbers squared, it's positive. Lastly, we have the formula. Let's just plug everything in because we have everything that we need to calculate it. So for the square root of the summation of xi minus x bar squared over n minus 1, that equals the square root of 26 over n minus 1, which equals the square root of 26 over 4 minus 1, which equals the square root of 26 over 3, which finally gives us the value of 2.944 as the sample standard deviation. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. You may find other videos helpful as well. And stay nerdy, my friends.